How AI is changing the way we make money online. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the online business landscape, reshaping how people earn money in once unimaginable ways. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, investor, or entrepreneur, AI-driven technologies make online money making more efficient, accessible, and profitable. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing large datasets, AI enables individuals and businesses to work smarter, not harder. This shift is a temporary trend in the future of digital commerce and entrepreneurship. With AI-powered automation, intelligent algorithms, and machine learning, people are finding innovative ways to increase their earnings with minimal effort. In this video, we will explore how AI is revolutionizing different industries and unlocking new opportunities for financial success. AI and automation. Redefining online workflows. One of the most significant ways AI changes online earning is through automation. Tasks that once required hours of manual work can now be completed in seconds with AI-powered tools. This is especially useful for freelancers, content creators, and entrepreneurs looking to scale their businesses without spending extra hours on routine work. Freelancing and AI assistance. Freelancers are using AI-powered platforms to streamline their work and increase productivity. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer now incorporate AI to match freelancers with clients more effectively. AI tools assist in writing proposals, optimizing project searches, and even handling customer inquiries. Additionally, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai help freelancers generate high-quality content quickly. Writers, marketers, and bloggers use these tools to produce articles, social media posts, and ad copies in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Similarly, designers use Canva's AI-powered design suggestions to create visually stunning content without advanced design skills. AI chatbots and customer support. AI-driven chatbots have revolutionized online businesses by handling customer interactions efficiently. Small business owners no longer need to hire large customer service teams, as chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, process orders, and even upsell products. Platforms like ManyChat and Chatfuel help businesses create AI-powered chatbots for Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and websites. AI-powered social media management. Social media influencers and digital marketers leverage AI to optimize content and engagement strategies. AI-powered tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social help users schedule posts, analyze audience behavior, and generate content ideas. These tools use machine learning to determine the best times to post, improving engagement rates and maximizing monetization potential. AI in content creation and monetization. AI has disrupted content creation by making high-quality production faster and more efficient. Writers, YouTubers, and bloggers can now use AI tools to generate, edit, and optimize content in record time. AI-powered writing and blogging. Writing blog posts, ebooks, and website content has never been more straightforward with AI-powered writing assistants. ChatGPT, Writesonic, and RYTR generate well-structured articles based on a few input keywords. AI also helps with SEO optimization by suggesting keywords and improving readability, allowing writers to rank higher on search engines and increase ad revenue. AI video creation and editing. YouTube creators and video marketers benefit from AI-powered video production tools. Platforms like Synthesia and Pictory allow users to create AI-generated videos with virtual avatars, eliminating the need for expensive filming equipment. AI-driven video editing tools like Descript and Runway AI help reduce editing time by automating tasks such as background removal, subtitle generation, and scene transitions. AI voiceover and podcasting. The podcast industry is booming, and AI makes it easier for anyone to start a podcast without professional voiceover skills. AI-powered text-to-speech tools such as 11 Labs, Murph AI, and Speechelo produce realistic voiceovers, which content creators monetize through ad placements, sponsorships, and premium subscriptions. AI-driven e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce has evolved with AI, making online selling more profitable and efficient. AI-powered tools help entrepreneurs choose winning products, optimize pricing strategies, and manage inventory more effectively. AI-powered product research. Finding profitable products used to be challenging for Amazon sellers and drop shippers. Tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 now analyze sales trends, competitor data, and consumer demand to recommend high-margin products. These AI-driven insights allow sellers to launch products with confidence. Chatbots for customer engagement. E-commerce businesses use AI chatbots to provide personalized shopping experiences. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce integrate AI-powered assistants that recommend products based on browsing history, increasing conversion rates and customer satisfaction. AI-based inventory management. Managing stock levels is crucial in e-commerce. AI-powered inventory management tools such as Inventory Planner and Skubana use predictive analytics to forecast demand and prevent stockouts or overstocking. This optimization reduces costs and maximizes profits. AI in stock trading and cryptocurrency. AI is also revolutionizing the financial sector, particularly in trading and investing. AI-driven trading bots, market analysis tools, and automated investment advisors have made it easier for individuals to make profitable decisions. AI trading bots. AI-powered trading bots execute trades automatically based on real-time market data. Platforms like Trade Ideas, AlgoTrader, and MetaTrader use machine learning algorithms to predict price movements and execute profitable trades without human intervention. Crypto AI and blockchain analytics. Cryptocurrency investors use AI-driven analytics tools such as Token Metrics and Santiment to analyze blockchain data, detect patterns, and identify profitable investment opportunities. AI also enhances fraud detection and security in blockchain transactions. Automated investment portfolios. AI-driven robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance help investors manage their portfolios with minimal effort. These AI-based platforms analyze risk tolerance, market trends, and financial goals to build and optimize investment strategies. AI in online education and course creation. The online education industry is another area where AI is transforming revenue streams. With the help of AI, digital entrepreneurs can create and sell courses, making online teaching more profitable and scalable. AI-powered course creation. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi use AI to help educators create structured and engaging courses. AI assists in lesson planning, scriptwriting, and content organization, allowing course creators to focus on delivering value rather than technical details. AI in personalized learning. AI-driven learning platforms analyze student behavior to provide customized recommendations. Adaptive learning systems enhance student engagement, leading to higher course completion rates and increased educator revenue. AI in language translation and online tutoring. AI-powered translation tools such as DeepL and Google Translate enable tutors to offer courses in multiple languages, expanding their audience. AI-driven tutoring apps like Duolingo and LingQ use machine learning to personalize language learning experiences. The future of AI in online earning. AI is not just changing how we make money online, it is shaping the future of digital entrepreneurship. As AI evolves, new opportunities will emerge in areas such as AI-generated art, virtual influencers, and AI-powered personal assistants. However, the key to success in this AI-driven economy is adaptation. Those who embrace AI tools and integrate them into their business strategies will have a competitive advantage. Whether you're a freelancer, e-commerce entrepreneur, investor, or educator, AI unlocks new ways to earn more while working smarter. Are you using AI in your online business? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.